To the game of cricket, Brookfield Premier League 2025 season 5 day 6. What a fantastic win by Leap Titans, a big margin win for the previous match. And now we are heading towards one more encounter. Okay, umpires are ready. Brookfield Properties fielders are ready and are ready. Let's go. Game on. We have the two young umpires, OG umpires, Mr. Jitendra joining with Mr. Deva at square leg. Here we go. First ball. Excellent placement. That's what they will understand the condition of the bowlers. That's excellent bowling. Looking to play that flick shot. Hitting on his leg. No contact between ball and bat. Holding his ground there. Sometimes no action is the best action. So Team Evren taking up with Brookfield Properties. News from the center. Brookfield Properties won the toss, selected to field. They invited Team Evren to bat. Team gain, none for none. Short pitch ball, up and over. Very well played, uppercut shot. First run in the account of Team Evren. So now, Gemini will face the first ball. Softly played but straight to the field and no runs. A good start from Rajat. Just one run conceded. That's the power of left arm medium pacer bowler. That's much better, fuller, and only one run given. दमदार शुरुआत की है पहले ओवर के लिए. One was gone, it's one for no loss. Evren. What a fantastic, electrifying, energetic, all the Brookfield cricketers out here. 31 degrees centigrade, 42% of humidity here in Mumbai. That's gone very much mile in the air. Oh, is that taken? What a catch. What is that out? What's the result? Yeah, that's out. Very much miles in the air. Very difficult to take the high catch. But Akash, the fielder, keeping that eye and taken. First wicket fall. 1.1, 1 for 1, all one factor. The new batter, Prashant Shah. Prashant Shah. Oh, indeed, at Shagun. Correction. Looking for that run. Oh, sent back. Gemini Das, he said no for that run. That bit of misfield at mid-on. Oh, that swing and a miss, but going just outside the off-stump line for wide, signal by the umpire. That's gone for wide. Looking to play, looking to swing. Square leg. She's trying a level best to get runs on the board. Let's see. Shagun. A bit of missed timing there by Shagun and went for dot ball. 1.4, it's 2 for 1. Team Evren. Excellent. Clever bowling by Bhavya. So just 1 run conceded. 2 gone, it's 2 for 1. Team Evren. The new bowler comes into the attack, Hardik. Straight up in the air. And well taken, well balanced. Taken it long on. Looking to clear the long on. Has not got the proper elevation, just gone miles in the air and taken easily. That's a wicket fall. Number 2. That's a good catch. He chased the gain but lost the chain, caught clean, and end of campaign. 2.1, it's 2 for 2. Team Evren. Good catch by Akash. Once again, Akash is taking that second catch for the team. Oh, just over the fielder. A good attempt. Indeed, trying to stop, trying to take that. Rohan Ghosh off the mark with a single. Shagun back on strike. Yes, she played up and over the fielder. And single run taken off the mark. It's 4 for 2 after 2.3. Rohan Ghosh. Let's see if he can go for some big connects. And now the new batter coming, Yashovardhan. Oh, that's very well played. The fielder jumping effort, good stop by Akash at wideish long on. Yet another single added. It's absolutely top class start from Brookfield Properties in the fielding side. Opt to field first after winning the coin toss. That's played straight. Good stop by the longer fielder. Another single. Good stop by Bhavya there at long off. Investing in singles by both the batters. That's straight up in the air. Who is underneath? Oh! Is that Hanush, a skipper, trying to take that? It's a bit of 10-15 meters of run up to take that catch, but fielder luck in the favor of batter. 3 was gone, it's 8 for 2. Team Evren. Very good over. Once again, only 5 runs conceded. So last 2 overs, only 6 runs, and they got 2 wickets. Is that Amol is coming, the new bowler? Yes, Amol, the skipper, coming into the attack. Swing and a miss. Good pace bowling. And that's, they will restrict something for sure. Giving a fabulous start by Brookfield Properties in the bowling attack. Oh, waited for the ball and didn't able to connect that. That's clever changing in the bowling variation by Amol. And that's what they are called for, the team Brookfield Properties. Straight to the fielder. They have everywhere the fielders are set up to stop the single, to save boundaries. They have the proper execution, proper plan, and this time trying to stop at covers. He'll get a single. Good attempt by the fielder, but they'll get 1 run only. Only 1 run considered, 4 balls being bowled. Once again, excellent bowling. What a beauty of a delivery for Amol. A good length, line and length. You're reading the batsman completely. Perfect execution, proper plan by Brookfield Properties is on. Tossed up delivery high in the air, 1 bounce. The fielder has stopped. Yet another very good over and got only 2 runs. 4 was gone, it's 10 for 2. It's time for some fireworks. Will they expect Team Evren for the coming overs? Let's see. So last 3 overs, only 8 runs and they got 2 wickets. Once again, Rajat back into the attack. That's straight up in the air and oh! Dropped it. Trying to take that running catch, well balanced but couldn't get hold of it and dropped it. और इस बार उठा दिया है, हवा में गेंद, मौका है, फील्डर ने प्रयास किया लेकिन वो डिसएडवांटेज है, ये टेनिस गेंद है, उड़ेगी जरूर और गेंद उड़ी उड़ी जाए. 4 रन. 15 पे 2 इस 4 रन के साथ अब राहत की सांस लेंगे टीम एवरन एक चौके के साथ, एक कॉन्फिडेंस अब इनिंग्स में. और इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद, आउट ऑफ द पार्क. 1 run they will get as a declared. 1 run declare. So slowly and steadily now Yashowardhan and Rohan Ghosh अब गाड़ी को दूसरे तीसरे गियर में भेजना होगा, नैया पार करना होगा, कुछ तो कमाल करना होगा यहाँ पर। क्या ये आउटसाइड एज था, मौका विकेट है रन आउट का। स्क्वायर लेग अंपायर क्या कहेंगे? मिस्टर देवा, नॉट आउट, इट्स वेल इनसाइड द क्रीज। सही क्रिकेट देखने मिला है, लो स्कोरिंग गेम, हाई स्कोरिंग गेम, लेकिन सब ने कमाया है आज इस ब्रुकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग में फेम। 4.4 17 पे 2। Oh, that's good effort by the fielder to stop that, but they have the backup plan. Long on fielder to stop that boundary. So coming up a good over for team Evren. They were 10 for 2, 8 runs of the over so far. Looking to connect, घुमा के खेलना चाहते थे आर पार। Rajat completed 2 over 9 runs and 5 was gone. It's 18 for 2, team Evren. पांच ओवर 18 पे 2, टीम एवरन। अमोल वंस अगेन द स्किपर, बैक इनटू द अटैक, इस बार जोरदार प्रहार, बेहतरीन फील्डिंग। जहां भी मारेंगे ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज वहां डायरेक्ट खड़े हो जाएंगे रोकने के लिए। जिस प्रकार से फील्डिंग सेट कराई है अमोल ने फ्रॉम ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज, इस बार जोरदार प्रहार, फिर से फील्डर के बाद डायरेक्ट हेड पर देखना होगा अंपायर क्या कहेंगे। नॉट आउट, इज वेल इनसाइड द क्रीज, गुड रनिंग। सही क्रिकेट देखने मिल रहा है टीम एवरन और ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज। That's into the gaps. Will they come back? They're going. 2 runs capitalized. It's been given as a wide by Mr. Deva, the umpire. 23 पे 2, 5.3. Yashowardhan and Rohan Ghosh. Rohan Ghosh already got 1 boundary. He's batting 11 of 12 and Yashowardhan 7 of 7. हवा में गेंद थी, यहाँ पे रनआउट का मौका है, डायरेक्ट हिट, लेकिन बहुत ही ऊपर स्टंप्स के गुजरती हुई गेंद, प्रॉपर हिट नहीं कर पाए। 1 रन यहाँ पर मिलेगा। धीरे धीरे अब रन रेट में बढ़ोतरी कर रहे हैं टीम एवरन। देखना होगा क्या टारगेट सेट कर पाएंगे फॉर ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज। स्विंग एंड मिस, गुड बॉलिंग, एक्सीलेंट बॉलिंग बाय द पेसमैन। And what happened there? That's stumping, smart work, and out. The LED flash, Bale's gone, and what a stumping that was. That we can call the lightning stumping. So 6 overs gone, it's 24 for 3, Team Everton. Sridhar now into the attack.
May I request the captains of both the teams to please join us, Bishnu Bhai and Porush Bhai. Please join us for the toss ka boss. For the first qualifiers, finally. A long way we've come now.
So that's end of the over number 7, 36 for 3. The target to chase for Brookfield Properties 37. But now all the league matches, and we are now going for the qualifier 1. Toss ka boss. Over to Manish.
And qualifiers one between two rockstar team of last year. One is the one who was on the top of the podium and one was the runner-up. May I request the captains of both the teams to please join us. Vishnu Bhai on the left, Porush Bhai on the right. On the right. And also our accounts head from CleanMax, Mr. Deep Shah. May I request you to please do the honors. Do the toss. How you doing? It's been so long time. Where were you, sir? Can you please come here? कहाँ थे अब तक आप?
I was around only with the team, but not on the ground. So off the ground, I was cheering and supporting team.
That is also really important. So you were one of our prominent viewers, huh?
Yes, yes.
Of course. Moving on to the toss का boss. Vishnu bhai मचाते हैं. पहले toss कर लेते. Then we can probably have some good talks. So who's gonna be giving the call? Porush bhai will give the call. Yeah. Tails is the call, and Tails it is. Congratulations! Finally, one more time you've won the toss. So what do you like to go for, man?
So we are going to bowl first. Again, we'll focus on our strategy and our energy since we have played our first match in the morning. So energy level is high. And yes, PIL is also a very good opponent. You know, like maybe like viewers can have a good match to see. You know, like this is qualifier one, but still, you know, like a lot of people will get a chance to have a to look a good match.
Thank you so much, and may the best team wins. Thank you so much, Deep sir. It's so good to have you today, and I'm sure you're cheering your team from the front end today. And thank you so much, and all the best to you and your team. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So finally, you people going to be batting. We've got the undefeated champions of the last year. This year also they've been winning consistently. You also winning consistently. तो दो बहुत ही जोरदार team है, and they've been really playing good. So क्या लग रहा है how this is going to go this particular match?
Looking to the last match of Clean Max, they almost scored, I think, 75 odd runs. So we'll try to restrict them basically. Then our bowling is our strength, so we'll work upon that.
Of course, surely. And before we go ahead, अगर आप toss जीते, so what would you would have opted for?
Batting ही सोचा था क्योंकि since last 5 matches we are batting first, so now also.
मैं तो चाहता हूँ आप इतना विशाल रन खड़ा कर दो कि थोड़ा कांटे की टक्कर देखने मिले इस मैच में. Thank you so much. All the best. Thank you so much, Vishnu sir. And here we had the toss ceremony for Team Clean Max and Team PIL Panthers, where Clean Max managed to win the toss and they've opted to bowl. And we've got the interesting match that is going on right now. Team Everin versus Team Brookfield. And Team Brookfield properties are on the batting lineup. Over to the Combox.
Let's see how the teams will perform. That's not a very difficult run to chase. Ladies and gentlemen, please stay tuned with us and hope that Brookfield Braveheart wins.
I will say the best team wins. Thank you very much, Sridhar, for your contribution in the commentary. And let's heading towards the match. It's a good attempt by the fielder. 1 run added. Account open किया है 1 रन से. So 30 is when the target to chase for Brookfield Properties. Tossed up delivery, looking to play. Umpire signaling that no ball straight away. And once no ball, we have the following ball will be coming. And the free hit. Free hit ball. That's a tossed up delivery once again, but this time a fair delivery. And looking for Juke. Chance for the run out of the non-striker and good running. Not a big tough target for Brookfield Properties, but it will be the tough game. Every game went very tough. In this exciting tough, and that's outside edge and gone. We just talked about tough game, and yes, Mihir, the bowler, he got a wicket here. Looking to play at covers, has got the outside edge, leading edge. And Hardik departs. Akash is having a very good time in the tournament. Fielding bhari, keeping bhi lay bhari, sab kuch lay bhari. Rashika joins the party. Looking to swing. And square leg umpire, Mr. Deva, signaling that out. One more wicket for Mihir. He's on a hat trick. Yes. Let's see. Now on a hat trick. 5 गेंद 4 रन 2 विकेट नुकसान पर. Let's see. We have 2 women athletes who took hat trick in this tournament, and now let's see. We're waiting for the men also. Mihir. Let's see if you can do it. The new batter, Nizel, will take strike. On a hat trick. Oh well, beautiful defense. End of the over. Successful over from Mihir. One was gone. It's 4 for 2. Brookfield Properties. They need 33 runs in 36 balls. 36 रन की दरकार, 36 गेंद में 33 रन की दरकार है. Yashovardhan coming down to the attack for the second over. So welcome back once again to the Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 Day 6. The energy, excitement of cricket is on. After this league match, this is the last league match, and we are coming up the qualifier one. The defending champions will take up with the runner-up of the previous year, PL Panthers. जो जीता डायरेक्ट फाइनल में करेगा प्रवेश. फाइनल टिकट. फुल टॉस, गेंद पुल कर दिया है. गेंद को गुल करना चाहते थे. जस्ट अ सिंगल. The team who wins for the next match, qualifier 1, will directly enter into the final of the season 5. That's much better bowling. Good line and length. He's just allowing the batsman to take singles, and that's what Team Evren will put something pressure on the batting lineup of Brookfield Properties. That's a lefty-righty combination out here. बैकफुट में अगर इसको खेल दिया है स्क्वेयर की दिशा में. फील्डर ने यहाँ पर रोकने की कोशिश की, लेकिन रोक नहीं पाए. 1 रन यहाँ पर लेंगे बैटर. Down the leg side, a wide signal by the umpire, Mr. Deva. 8 for 2. Tossed up delivery played at long on for single. Not taking a risk because nine for 2. They're looking for that run. Half track, he came and sent back. Coming to the last ball of the second, 10 for 2. Good stop in the follow through. A very good bowling. Previous over went for 4 runs and 2 wickets, and now Yashovardhan considered 6 runs. 2 over 10 pe 2, Brookfield Properties, and the win 27 runs and 30 balls left. Pankaj Srivastav comes into the attack. A bit of misfield and they capitalized. Single into doubles. It's 2 run of investment by the batters Bhavya and Nigel. पच्चीस रन चाहिए 29 गेंदों में. आसान है मैच जीतना, लेकिन देखना होगा टीम एवरन क्या कुछ अलग स्ट्रैटेजी और कमाल करेंगे. This is the last match of the league match. We had a fantastic all the league matches, and after this coming up the qualifier one between Clean Max with PL Panthers. इस बार उठा दिया है, बाहर भेज दिया है, बॉल को टाटा बाय बाय किया है, और यहाँ पर मिलेंगे 1 रन. So 24 to get from 27 balls. Easy task for Team Brookfield Properties to get this win for them for the last match of this league match. Smartly reading that ball, perfect line and length, and just taking that quick single. That's what investing small and getting the returns smartly. छब्बीस गेंदों में 23 रन की दरकार है और बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन यहाँ पर ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज की. जिस प्रकार से जो रन्स आ रहे हैं अतिरिक्त, वेल लेफ्ट बाय द बैटर, जस्ट लुकिंग टू ट्राइंग टू फ्लिक दैट. It's a smart cricket, punching down towards covers, going back foot, proper placement of batting by these two batters. और ज़रूरी नहीं है बड़े हिट के लिए, आसानी के साथ एक एक रन करके इस मैच को अपने मुट्ठी में कर लेंगे. इस बार उठा दिया है, सेफ लैंडिंग, कोई खतरा नहीं, 1 रन से संतुष्ट होंगे. 3 ओवर का खेल खत्म, 17 पे 2, 20 रन की दरकार, 24 गेंद है बाकी. 24 balls and 20 runs to get. This is a chance. Oh, refer to the third umpire. Good throw. बट ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है थोड़ा सा डिले हो गए, पर देखना होगा थर्ड अंपायर क्या कहेंगे अब. We had a fantastic broadcasting from tenniscricket.in, one of the topmost broadcaster. Let's see now what's the umpire's call. Third umpire. Yes, that's out. Good throw from short mid wicket fielder. Looking for that quick single, but just outside the crease. So they got 3 wickets. So indeed very good throw from Prashansa to Rohan Ghosh there, and they got a wicket. The new batter coming here. मुकेश ऑफ द मार्क विद सिंगल. इस बार जोरदार प्रहार, फील्डर ने यहाँ पे प्रयास किया उसको लपकने के लिए, हिटिंग ऑन दैट साइड ऑफ द टर्फ. 3.5, 21 for 3. 16 रन 19 गेंद. They need that couple of good overs to defend here. मौका है टीम एवरन को, देखना होगा. इंटरेस्टिंग टू वॉच. 4 ओवर के बाद 21 पे 3, 16 रन चाहिए 18 गेंदों में. 18 balls and 16 to get. चार ओवर 21 पे 3, मात्र 16 रन और 18 गेंद. टीम क्लीन मैक्स हाइब्रिड एकदम जोरदार तैयार है फॉर द नेक्स्ट मैच. आगाज हो चुकी है, प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी है. बस बैट दीजिए, बॉल दीजिए, हम कुछ करेंगे कमाल. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द क्वालिफायर 1. इस बार उठा दिया है, अच्छी फील्डिंग, अच्छा स्टॉप, वहां पर रोक दिया है. ऐसे ही जाने नहीं देंगे इस मैच को टीम एवरन. So 15 to get from 17 balls. Not an easy task. Every match, we have seen many nail-biting finish. A bit of attacking fielding for the batter Mukesh. Pressure यहाँ पर. और ये देखिए बेहतरीन बॉलिंग by मिहिर. और यही प्रेशर के साथ आप डिफेंड की कोशिश. रन अ बॉल, 15 balls and 15 needed. Oh, that's a good diving effort by, is that Akash? Akash. Outside edge, lucky there. MS धोनी के बड़े फैन है आकाश. 15 रन चाहिए 14 गेंदों में. Just losing his momentum, going down. Indeed, going outside the off-stump line for wide. $14 balls and 14 to get. That's a fuller one. And on this fuller, the only option, you can hit a cover drive or play that offside. That was option. And we have the fantastic cover drive batter, Virat Kohli and Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, the god of cricket. We have witnessed in 2003 World Cup, one of the fantastic World Cup for India to be remembered. And also 2011. But as a millennial, for every millennial out here, the only World Cup we have witnessed, that was 2003 World Cup. And that the date of 1st March 2003, India versus Pakistan, and Sachin got out on 98. That catch was taken at point. An excellent batting by Saeed Anwar of 101 runs. that class, that power, dedication of all the legends, the day to be remembered. 5 was gone, it's 24 for 3 and 13 to get from 12 balls. There's a quick discussion strategy audio happening on this match for Brookfield Properties and Team Evran. इसके बाद होंगे और 3 मैचेस आज के दिवस में. We can call it as a playoffs match and qualifier 1 coming up after this match. And this is the last match of the league stage of the Brookfield Premier League 2025 season 5. So ये इंटरेस्टिंग होगा क्वालिफायर प्लेऑफ्स जो खेल होगा, प्लेऑफ्स के खेल किस प्रकार से अब टीम अपनी जगह बनाते हैं. इट विल बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग टू वॉच बिकॉज वहां पर 30 रन 25 रन नहीं, बहुत ही दमदार पारी होगी, डबल धमाका होगा. पावर प्ले का यहाँ पर इशारा दिया है. वन फील्डर इज अलाउड आइदर एट लॉन्ग ऑफ और लॉन्ग ऑन. 13 runs and 12 balls left. आकाश सुरवे अब इनको बॉलिंग का भार दिया है कप्तान ने. ये एक डिफेंडिंग ओवर, मैच अपने नाम कर पाएंगे या नहीं देखना होगा. थोड़ा मोमेंटम लूज किया और ऑफ स्टंप लाइन के बाहर चली गई गेंद. वाइट बॉल, 12 गेंद 12 रन. और एक बार थोड़ा कमबैक करना होगा स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटेंट के साथ. और एक वाइड, 11 रन और 12 गेंदों में. इस बार कमबैक किया है. डॉट बॉल, 11 गेंद और 11 रन की जरूरत. So after bowling the 2 wides, a good comeback. 11 रन चाहिए 10 गेंदों में. Right arm round wicket coming up. High in the air, safe landing there. Good stop. Running to stop that at covers. Need 10 runs in 9 balls. So 10 runs and 9 balls. Here we go. This is class, super class. आकाश ने कमबैक किया है भरपाई की इस ओवर में. शुरुआत 2 वाइड्स, अब 3 डॉट बॉल, मात्र 1 रन, तो 2 रन दिए है मात्र. 10 रन चाहिए 8 गेंदों में. उठा दिया है, ये मौका है. ओह नो, क्या छूटा, सपना टूटा. ये नहीं होना चाहिए था. ये एक जीत की कैच थी. किस्मत का साथ ब्रूकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज के नाम. 8 रन चाहिए अब 7 गेंदों में. ये मैच टर्न हो सकता था. यहां पर और मोमेंटम लूज करेंगे. ये वाइड और मिलेंगे और एक अतिरिक्त रन. 7 चाहिए 7 गेंदों में. उठा दिया है, भेज दिया है, सीमा रेखा के बाहर भेज दिया है 4 रन के लिए। मात्र 3 रन की जरूरत है इस मैच को जीतने के लिए और ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज ने अपने नाम कर लिया है। 6 गेंदों में चाहिए 3 रन्स। एक्सीलेंट बैटिंग परफॉर्मेंस। भव्य 19 ऑफ 16 विद 1-4 पूरी तरह से पारी को संभाला है। बस अब एक बड़ा हिट और मैच को कर देंगे सुपर हिट ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज। प्रशांत शाह टू बोल द लास्ट ओवर ऑफ द मैच। 3 रन्स चाहिए, एक बड़ा हिट एंड दैट्स इट। ओ स्विंग एंड मिस। कोशिश यहां पर जारी है, मैच अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। 3 रन चाहिए 5 गेंदों में। यस, दिस इज द क्लेवर अंपायर सिग्नल नो बॉल। तो यहां पर मिलेंगे 2 रन और मात्र 1 रन की जरूरत है एंड कमिंग अप द फ्री हिट। तो विकेट गया तो भी कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा। 1 रन की जरूरत है और फ्री हिट बॉल। क्या ये विनिंग हिट बॉल है? और यहां पर अभी भी मौका है। स्कोर्स लेवल 4 गेंद और 1 रन की दरकार और इसी के साथ मैच को जीत लिया है ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज ने। कंफर्टेबल विक्ट्री 7 विकेट से। That's end of all the league matches and coming up we have 3 matches more in the day today. Playoff matches and the first match will be coming up next. Qualifier 1. Already the toss has been done. Clean Max Hybrid taking out with PL Panthers. Clean Max won the toss, decided to bowl first. They